Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamsky and this is Retro Display, my Unreal Engine marketplace asset. And as you can see, here you have a lot of different style of old school display with animations, digits, letters, and so on. Okay, so let's start. Here I'm going to show you what you can set up here. Obviously you can change whatever you want. You can type here whatever. You can change the justification, right, middle, left, and you have different types of fonts. So here's LCD, here's red LED like this, but this red LED looks better with this. Here's VFD, which is like old school car radio display. Then you have this one, but it only gets capital letters. And this is something like I have here, which is kind of faking, because in this type, this is Back to the Future style. This is exactly dates from Back to the Future, and they use exact the same colors and fonts, but actually in this type of display you cannot have letters like this, so this is kind of hack. But this one font from those VFD7 fonts, this one VFD_1 have letters in it, but only capitals. And next only have numbers. Yeah, so you can have this style, this style, this style, or this style. And also you can have this different type of font, like alien language, maybe from some kind of predatory alien that want to hunt people. Yeah, what else you can change here? You can change the amount of rows, obviously, but let's go back to the classic LCD. You can change, if you have more than one, you can change the distance between rows. You can change the number of columns, distance between columns, and you can change overall size. You can change background color, background emissive, roughness, but it doesn't work with emissive. You can change the color of the symbols and color of blank symbols as well. Maybe something like this. And obviously the visibility of the blank symbols. Okay, well, let's go back to default. And you have different type of animation. First one is no animation. And of course you can change the text, you already know that. So no animation, so it just stays how it is. You can have blinking, and you can change the speed of animation, and you can have it looped, or you can have it only, let's say, 4 times. And it stays after 4 times. And you can have start delay, it's in seconds, so it start working after 1 second. Then you have rotating, so it rotates. This rotating works only with one row. Let me double check, but that's how it works. Yeah, it does with 2 rows, but only if characters are shorter than if the lettering is shorter than the number of columns. But if you need more, you can just duplicate it and have it like this. What else do we have here? And we have writing. This is also cool animation. Yes, and it also, you can loop it and make it only like once. Yep. And what do we have here? Oh, and there's random. And in this case, let's make it without any delay, and let's make speed. The speed should be fine. Why is it so slow? Oh, it's only once. Okay, maybe speedy. Yeah, so this is dancing. And you have custom animation. This, in this case, this is the guy walking, and you can have custom second animation. And here you can change the period of animation. So if you type 4, you can have like this, but if you type 1, you will have it like this. And so it uses textures, and where are LED characters? The textures look like this. So this is texture, and it has symbols, characters, and numbers, digits, characters, and here are animations. So from here, from this spot to this spot is first type of animation, and here is second type of animation. And also you have character template. So if you want to do your own animation or whatever different characters, you can just put it here and replace those texture with this. And I'm going to show you how you can change. You can add your own fonts, and if you do that, you can add it font type right here. And then there is this structure, and this structure is in main blueprint, retro display blueprint. There's font data, and here you have all the fonts. So first one is LCD, and this is the dimension of the texture, so 8 by 16. So this is 8 by 16. Index offset, it's ASCII characters, so you have to add this first. The blank index is 127, so blank index is, I guess, here, and this is 127 because this is 128. Where we have, and this is full character index. Sorry, blank index is 27. This is full character index. Here's period index. In this case, it's not relevant. Here's colon index, not relevant in this case. And here are random animation first index and random animation length. So random animation first index is 108. In this case, it is this 108, and the length is 9. Oh, sorry. 9, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it should be 9 because it includes 0 in it. So it is 10 digits. And also the same is custom animation first index, custom animation length. First index is 96 and length is 12. So first index is 96, and no, that's this 96, and length is 12. So if you make your own, you can put those values here, the first index of animation and the length of the animation. So yeah, and you can use it whenever you want. Here are some cool animations like this, or like this, with different periods, or just blinking. There is also, in case in some fonts like this one, there's also a semicolon if you want to make a clock. in here there is also periods, so if you want to make a calculator, you can add periods here, and it has special place for a period. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I love this red letter. It looks like the old school from the 90s, that every in my country, every place in the 90s, every pizza place have to have this red letter, red LED advertisement. You need to know that best pizza is here. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy this asset, and thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my channel. I make tutorials as well, and see you next time.